Hello dear investors, today is the 2nd of May, Thursday. I'm glad to share a regular market review prepared for InstaForex. Yesterday, the Federal Reserve announced its key rate decision. The regulator kept the key rate unchanged. The following press conference led to a considerable decline in the US dollar, while other currencies jumped. Today, these trends may continue. By the way, today, the United States will disclose its initial unemployment claims figures. Let us switch to the trading charts. Thus, gold prices almost ignored yesterday's events and climbed into the green area. Now the quotes are falling again. At present, I do not see any trading ideas for this instrument. Meanwhile, the situation with the euro-dollar pair is a bit different. Yesterday's FOMC decision failed to push the asset to new highs. This means that there is a good target for a rise. If the US unemployment claims data is weak, we will see a second wave of US depreciation. This, in turn, will result in the third wave of the upward movement in other currencies, including the euro. Yesterday, there was a test of a swing low. Those who failed to enter the market can do this today from the current levels. You can also see an extreme level of 1.0754 recorded on April 11. I suppose that the asset has every chance to reach this level. The pound sterling is showing almost the same dynamic, namely bullish momentum, a decline, and a swing low. Yesterday, I gave a signal to buy the Australian dollar. I expect an unprecedented rise to 0.69. The Bank of Japan benefited from the dovish comments made by Powell. As a result, the dollar-yen pair slumped by 4,600 pips. That's all for now. See you next time.